Hi family, welcome back to yet another vlog. If you're new, my name is QTD. Today's video it's all about skincare. I'm going to be sharing with you on how I cleared black spots from my face. I'm going to be using a tomato, an egg, and turmeric. First, you're going to cut your tomato. You squeeze out the juice. Then you mix an egg. I'm going to mix one teaspoon of turmeric. If you have like a small wooden spoon, it works better, just I don't have it. That's how it looks like after mixing. So guys, after mixing everything, I'm going to go ahead and apply to my face. I have my brush already. You have to be careful it doesn't go into your eyes. It feels so good on the skin, guys. Do this like twice a week. Your skin's going to clear, your skin is going to clear if you do this like twice in a week. That's what I used to do that's what I used to do when I had black spots. It's so messy, guys. The thing that's so messy. Trying that sink will be called that. Even the brush. But then, don't mind about my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. Okay guys, that's how I look like after washing my face. You can tell that I don't have black spots. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my toner. And my serum. Apply my night moisturizer. So guys, that's how my skin looks like after applying everything. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.